Hey Orlando, this your boy DJ Kevy Kev. Join me this Friday for my birthday celebration at Lux Ultra Lounge on the corner of iDrive and Kirkman. We're kicking off the all-new Friday promotion, Back to Basics. I'll be setting the mood for the evening alongside my boys, the One Unit Family. That's right, Kevy Kev and the One Unit Family is at Lux Ultra Lounge. This and every Friday, we're taking it back to basics.
Yes, it's the craziest reggae party back on a Friday night at Club Lux. Feisty Squad, DJ Recon, Kevy Kev, DJ Greg G. And guess what? Your boy DJ Stamina, he's back on a Friday night at Club Lux.
Yeah, yours truly, DJ Stamina, back in the building. Club Lux, thing called back to Basics. That's what I'm talking about. Club Lux, this Friday night and every Friday night.
Everybody is in free until 12 o'clock. It's $3 you call it until 11:30. And yes, that does include Top Shelf. This will be a monumental Friday night that you will not forget. So make sure you come out early.
That's Lux Ultra Lounge on the corner of iDrive and Kirkman. It's back to basics. This and every Friday night.
Yes, we're bringing it back to the basics.
Be there.